Hi, I'm Jennifer from Pixels and Pills, and I'm here at the Pharma event in Philadelphia. Today I'm here with Guy Mastrion from Paleo Communications. He is a founder of Paleo. Welcome.
Thank you, Jennifer. It's great to be here.
Terrific. Thanks so much for joining us. And Guy is an expert in media and understanding how consumers and also healthcare companies communicate with media and actually understand media. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I think for our purposes here today and the rest of this week, we're talking about new media consumption and the evolution of social media and how consumers are utilizing that to gather information, in particular about their health, is really, really very, very new, and the FDA is really struggling with that. And I think it's really important to understand how design can help solve some of these issues, from helping to moderate those discussions to also designing interfaces that allow the consumers to consume that information to better understand the health benefits of the drugs that they need. So it's really essential for the FDA to come to terms with new media and allow exploration and allow innovation to happen so we can help solve some of these pressing health problems that are really, many of them center around communication. For instance, health literacy is a big problem in a certain segment of the population in regard to health literacy, and the visual communication of information can go a long way to solve health literacy issues if we are allowed to utilize new ways of doing things and design new solutions to old problems.
And so with the FDA deadline for submissions for proposals coming up at the end of the month, are there any recommendations that you would have for pharmaceutical companies?
Well, so much is going to hinge on what the FDA has to say to the companies and to those involved in helping them partner in the communications. I think it's important that we all keep an open mind. The FDA has a very tough job to do, and certainly moderating this discussion around social media is sort of an object lesson for them in what we all struggle with day to day in trying to manage communications. So it's important that we include the FDA in all of these discussions and consider them a partner, because I believe that now more than ever they have gone from being a regulatory body responsible for approving the safety and efficacy of drugs, and then one step further, the communications around those drugs, to now actually, I believe the need is that they become part of the media itself to help moderate those discussions, because without their seal of approval on some of these discussions, it's going to be very hard for consumers to discern what's good and bad information out in the social media space.
Well, thank you so much, Guy. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer from Pixels and Pills.